single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello and welcome to justcomparecars.com. My name's James and today I'm going to be doing a walk around video of this 2016 Ford Transit. It's a 2.2 TDCI 460 HDT Trend bus. It's an 18-seater. It's done 29,000 miles and it's got full service history with 3 services in total. Okay, so we've been doing these walk around videos for quite a while now. We found them really beneficial to most people because it means you get to view the vehicle from the safety and comfort of your own home, but as if you were here in person. So today I'll endeavour to go around the vehicle. I'll show you any marks, any scratches, any dints. We'll look at the wheels and the tyres individually. Once we've done that, we'll have a look inside the vehicle. We'll look at all the seats, the functionality of the vehicle. Once we've done that, we'll look under the bonnet, and then finally we'll have a look at the chassis. Once you've watched the video, if you've got any questions, you can send any questions to me. All my contact details will be on the very last page. Obviously, if you think you've missed something, if you want to see something in a little bit more detail, it's no problem at all. Once you've watched the video, if you're happy with what you see and you want to buy it, a small deposit will secure the vehicle, and we can pretty much deliver it anywhere in the world. Obviously in the UK it's a little bit easier and I just need a postcode. Worldwide we'll need a port and we can get you a cost for that, no problem. If you're looking to finance it, well, again, we'll ask you for a deposit to cover the VAT. We go through an application. It usually takes about 5 minutes and we can usually get you a decision within about an hour. In most cases you can drive away the same day. I'm recording the video in HD, so whatever you're watching it on, make sure it's on the best possible settings to view that. Right, so we'll start with the front and we'll work our way around. I will apologise in advance. It arrived 2 days ago. I've had a couple of days off and this is the first opportunity I've had to video it. It's not perfectly clean. There's a bit of dust and stuff on it, as you can probably appreciate, but obviously if I wash it, it's going to be wet and you're never going to quite see it the same. So I thought it was better just to leave it as it was and then do it like this. Not dirty by a long shot, but I just want to be straight with you. Right, so bonnet. There's no obvious marks, scratches or dents on the bonnet at all. It's very straight. Driver side headlight is clean, tidy, as is the front grille. And passenger headlight. Front bumper. As you'll see, there's parking sensors front and rear. And the bumper's in great condition. Front wing. Again, it's in nice condition. And there's no damage. Passenger side front wheel and tyre. It's a steel wheel. And tyre. Plenty of tread. I would guesstimate, I can't get my finger in there, so I'd guess 4 or 5 mil. Windscreen. There's no obvious stone chips or cracks. Everything looks nice and tidy. Passenger side wing mirror, the back of it's clean. Glass is in good condition. Passenger side again. Onto the door. Door's in great condition. And there's no damage, no dents, no scratches, no marks that I can see anyway. Right, so let's work our way down the passenger side. There are a couple of very small dents here in the door. They're not massive, they're just there. Other than that, I can't see anything else at all on it. There's a very few small indentations. They're not really massive dents, they're just small. I don't know how that would happen, but they are there. But nothing serious. All the glass in the back is quite tinted. It's not heavily tinted, but it is tinted. Certainly gives it a very private feel in the back. Whether you're going to use it as a minibus or convert it into a motorhome or whatever, it is very smart. And these windows do pop out of there and slide across as well, so you do get a little bit of an extra air in there if you do need it. It's a dual rear wheel and tyre. Wheels are in good condition, and as you can see from the tyres, there's lots of tread. Rear ones, I'd guess there's probably a 6mm. Right, so working our way around to the back, just zoom that out a little bit. Tail lights are in good condition, and there's no obvious damage on the doors on the rear. Everything looks nice and tidy. Bumper's in good condition again. You've got reversing sensors, obviously, front and rear. And everything looks nice and clean. So let's have a quick look in the back. Obviously both rear doors open to give you access, and then you've obviously got a set of seats in the back. From the look of it, you can take those out if you want to and move those if you need to. And there is a hydraulic jack. I'm sure there's some other bits as well. I'm just not sure how to get to them. So shut that. But yeah, it's nice and tidy. Driver's side tail light, again in good condition, there's no damage. So let's work our way down the driver's side. Again, it's the same principle. I'm just looking for any marks, scratches or dents. There's no obvious damage on it anyway, on this rear quarter. Everything looks nice and smart. Driver's side rear wheel and tyres. Again, wheels in good condition, as are the tyres. There's plenty of tread. So let's carry on down the driver's side. Just seen a little dent somewhere here. It's not bad, but it is there. Size of a pinhead. Driver's door. And again, there's no damage, no scratches, no marks. Driver's side wing, same as is the mirror and glass. Right, so let me show you let's do the front first. So driver's side, obviously I realise it's a minibus and probably the important part is the back, but let's work our way around to it. So driver's door, you've got your locks and your electric windows. The door is in good condition, no damage. Driver's seat, again, great condition. The bolsters are really nice and firm, as is the material, nice and clean. And as you can see, it's in nice clean condition, as it is throughout, to be honest with you. Varying amount of manoeuvrability of your seat. You can go up and down, and you can get the seat base up and down as well. So a decent level of comfort is easily achievable. Right, so I would invite you to look at the specification on this, because it has got an awful lot of extras. As you can hear, it starts up straight away, no issues at all. There's no warning lights apart from fuel. It has got air conditioning. Let's just try that while we're here. So put it on there, on AC, and turn it up. It's starting to get cold straight away, so that's working fine, no problems. As you can see, it's got stop start, park assist, heated front and rear screens. Turn that down a little bit. It has got CD player, radio, auxiliary, Bluetooth, etc. It's in great condition as well. Everything looks nice and clean inside. As you can see, the dashboard is in fantastic condition as well. There's no damage, everything looks nice and clean. I can tell you, as an ex-smoker, it's definitely not been smoked in. There's none of that smell about it at all. passenger seat in the front, again, is in great condition. The bolsters are really nice and firm, and the material's nice and clean. And the aircon does work fine, no problem. It's getting nice and cold now. So I know it's got lane assist. Let's have a quick look at the other specifications, just read some of those off for you. Obviously 6-speed manual gearbox. So it's got lane assist, air conditioning, stop start, front and rear parking sensors, ABS, driving lamps. It's got 18 seats, sunroof and everything else. It has got a tachograph as well if you need one of those. That's up there. So I'll switch that off. It has got the electric folding power mirrors as well, and they all work perfectly. Right, so let's just do need to start it, I think, for the side bit to work. So let's leave that running. So passenger side, again, the door card's in great condition, electric window, and your locks are on there as well. As you can see, the side of the seats, everything looks nice and clean, everything's tidy. I really like this bit. When you open the door, you'll see the side step comes out. So it's got the electric courtesy step. You stand in. I'm 6'2" and I can stand up without ducking my head. In the back, it smells nice and clean as well, doesn't smell like it's been smoked in. It has got the additional heating in the back for the people in the back, and each seat has got its own aircon unit and lights. Switch that on. So they've got their own LED lights and ventilating system. So a really decent level of comfort in the back for your passengers. Again, the seats in the back are all really nice and comfortable, all the nice and clean material, and that's followed through right through the entire van. As you can see, they've all got 3-point seat belts as well, which is obviously important. The aircraft style overhead lockers. It's more like a limousine, really. Decent sized sunroof, which is also your emergency exit if required. Hammers either side. Again, it's got the sliding mirrors. Sit in the back. I can tell you, as a passenger, 6'2". It's not a massive amount of leg room, but I'd be comfortable in that, definitely. And there are cup holders as well. And it looks like there's cup holders for each seat. That's really good. Nice place to be. Certainly comfortable. Equally, I could see it being converted into a decent sized motorhome as well. Obviously, you've got a decent floor plan straight away, and a level of privacy, which is great. You can switch all the lights on and off. They work perfectly, obviously. Let's have a quick look at these folding. Try these work, to be honest with you. Oh, I see, they just pop out. Oh, I see, there you go. I'm being daft, aren't I? Actually, I'm not actually sure how they work. There we go, that's it. So they just pop out a little bit, and I can feel the air coming straight through on it anyway. There you go, and those two locks there just lock it into place. And that's the same for that side as well. And then the one on the front here, that one actually slides open. As you can see. It does come all the way. That's fine as well, locks into place. Different view of the dashboard, obviously, from here, and steering wheel. It's got the multifunction steering wheel. It has got cruise control, and all the different varying options are on there as well. But yeah, everything's nice and clean. Let's jump out. As you'll see, step goes back in again automatically. So let me switch the engine off. We'll have a look under the bonnet. It is one of the ones where you put your key in. Under the bonnet is exceptionally clean. All the fluids look really clean and to the correct levels. Really smart. Belt's looking good condition as well. There's no signs of any oily residue on the engine at all. Let's have a quick look at the chassis. As you can see, there's no oily residue underneath. Everything looks nice and tidy. And there's a spare, and the tread, it looks like a brand new tyre, and it's full size, so that's good. Okay, so hopefully I've shown you everything that you would need to see as if you were here in person, maybe a little bit more. Obviously, if you think I've missed something, or if you want to see something in a little bit more detail, please give me a call. I'll be more than happy to show you anything that you need to see. It has got 2 keys, by the way. Right, so I'll end the video there. Thanks for your time, thanks for watching, stay safe, bye bye.